It's Austin with DSW of the boat Sooner or Raider. This is an after video of your hull clean. Let's go have a look. Also, you wanted me to take a look if anything was underneath the boat that would cause any damage to the boat or the props. Nothing by the props. Up here on your starboard side, there's a bunch of stuff in between your first chine on the boat, that little ridge that comes out, and the dock here. So I'm not quite sure. I dove down. A lot of stuff was covered in barnacles and stuff. Not sure what it is. It's definitely maybe some concrete, maybe some old pilings or something like that. But that's what's down there. But let me get you after video. There was definitely a lot of fouling on the boat this time. We got it all off. It was pretty fouled up down there. Take a look at your water line. Once again, always a pleasure, and thank you for using DSW.